Hi, good afternoon, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make some bacon saltfish. Okay, I have the pot for the saltfish and I have the oil here for the bake. Okay, I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna do the bacon and the saltfish for you guys, show you guys. Okay, I have all the ingredients here. I have onions, scallion, hot pepper and tomato. Okay, and we're gonna have some green seasoning. Okay, also I'm gonna try put a little Cajun seasoning into the saltfish. And I have the saltfish boiled earlier and we have it in a strainer. Okay, alright. Put this tomato in. Onion, garlic, put some of this in. Put some Cajun seasoning. Don't put too much. Just a little flavor. A little tomato paste. Add a bit of garlic. That's the garlic. Okay, that's gonna fry. I wanna work on the bake. Okay, I'll come back and show you guys. Okay, while this is cooking and get soft, then I'm gonna add the saltfish. Okay, we have the, let's put the bake in. That's the bake. Turn it over. Put some oil on it. Also, you guys can see. Okay. Now we're gonna put the saltfish in. Okay. the rest when we finish. That's gonna fry for like 5 minutes. That's almost ready, okay? Alright. Saltfish. And you have to bake. We make 2 so far. Alright. Alright. See you guys in a... Thank you guys for watching. You guys have a good day, okay? I'll show you the... This is almost ready, okay guys? Thank you guys. Okay, that's the rest. We're making bake now. The saltfish finish. Okay. Saltfish finish. We're making a bake now. Rest of the bake. You guys interested in a recipe for the bake? Bake is very simple to make. So it depends how you like it. You know, a lot of people make it different. I make it all different ways. You know, to suit whatever I'm making. Sometimes I make the saltfish with kale. Sometimes I make it with spinach. So, all for your preference, what you like. You know. Some people put sugar in a bake. Sometimes I put. Sometimes I don't. So it depends, you know. Alright, I'm gonna make a few more. I'll come back and show you guys, okay? Alright, I'll show you the end, okay guys? Thank you guys for watching. Alright, give this video a like. Alright, there's the finishing touch. I have here the saltfish, how we make beautiful saltfish, okay? Very simple. And here we have the bake. Here we have the bacon we make earlier. Okay. You see I was frying it, okay? Alright, and thank you guys. Okay. Alright. Thank you guys.